is Emma. Please listen carefully in my presentation. Every people get old and I will get old too. So I will be dying. In 70 years old, when I'm not die, I want to have the chance to go many other places before I want to go. First, I want to go many places about Harry Potter. I love Harry Potter series. I'm a big fan of Harry Potter. In 70 years old, I want to be still a big fan of Harry Potter. If when I still love Harry Potter in 70 years old, I want to go places about Harry Potter. For example, I want to go to UK, many places about Harry Potter and J.K. Rowling. Second, I want to travel other many countries. Before, I don't have many chances to go other countries because I go Jeju Island a lot. I love Jeju Island, but I want to go other countries. So I want to go other countries before I wouldn't go. And I can take a rest and enjoy my last life during the travel. I'm really excited to go travel night. In conclusion, I want to have a chance to go many other places. I want to go many places about Harry Potter, and I want to travel other countries. So, thank you for listening.